finishes off in style.
Bollywood has been a playground for countless worlds with charismatic acting skills ever since it was possible to make films. And it would not be a sitting if we do not discuss the relationship of the Bollywood with the sports fraternity, as their relation is by and far highly noticeable. But here today at Sportswire, we won't be discussing all the entanglements of the Bollywood and sports, but about a uniquely talented and energetic young man, Sushant Singh Rajput, who is sadly no more in this world of trickery and cheating nexus. Sushant Singh Rajput was among those few people who might not have lived for long, but how much they lived with absolute passion and engagement to the reality. Sushant Singh Rajput was a man with a vigor like a sportsman to conquer all odds and come up at the top with his smile and twinkle like a sun to enlighten all. And this was also reflected in his struggling years. From a teenage, he was subjected to hardship and mental challenges. When he was just in class 12th, his mother died just before his boards examinations. But even after this, Sushant never gave up. After such a havoc-ing situation, he stood strong and cleared every engineering exam he gave. In all, Sushant cleared 11 engineering exams, which is a big deal in India. This shows his temperament and level of intelligence, that even after his mother's death, he came up with flying colors. Now you must be wondering why we are discussing such things on a sports channel, and this doubt is very normal. But as I told you earlier, Sushant was an athletic and a sports person. So out of love for him, we will take a look at his sports relevances. Sushant was an all-rounder in his school days, as exclaimed by one of his school's friends. This must mean he must have been good in sports, which was obviously reflected in his mystique character. While talking about Sushant's love for sport, we can't leave behind the movie which made him related to sports in large. Yes, I am talking about the movie MS Dhoni: The Untold Story. This movie is a portrayal of the greatest captain in the history of cricket. The movie has achieved unbelievable response from the audience, and all this was because of the excellent way of representation of the character of MS Dhoni. MS Dhoni has a very subtle and a calm character, which is in contrast to that of Sushant's, as Dhoni is less flamboyant, whereas Sushant was a highly energized nucleus. This shows us that how ethical and up to the scratch Sushant actually was, as far as passion and love for sports and acting is considered. I am unable to find words which may suit to describe the vigor of this man's animation. By this, I mean the way he adapted to a character which was totally different to that of his. It must have been way too difficult, as it seems to be on this mere word. Sushant was also very down-to-earth man, maybe because of his initial setbacks and hardship on mental ground. There were many instances when he had portrayed this feature of his. Once, one of Sushant's fan on Instagram presented his disappointment that due to lack of money, he can't donate to the relief funds for those who were trapped in Kerala flood back in 2018. This caught Sushant's attention and he donated rupees 1 crore on behalf of his fan. And once, one of his Instagram followers got followed by a fake ID which was made after Sushant's name, but the girl didn't knew it and she posted to rejoice that she got followed by Sushant. But when she found out it was just a fake ID, she got heartbroken and started posting sorrowful messages. This also caught Sushant's eyes and he found that girl's ID and followed her in real. Such a down-to-earth gesture. The vastness of Sushant's individuality is shown by such gestures. This also shows he truly cared for the happiness of all, be it his fans or people connected to him. Sushant, being an engineer, an actor, and a sportsman, and a philanthropist, had a very unique outlook towards the world, and a logical mind will always get impressed by the way he thought about things. He was nothing like other actors who, on getting the fathom of glamour and success, become a totally different person. And maybe because of this, I was not able to resist the feeling of making a video on him. Sushant was an ideal man that everyone can get inspired from, but the way he died wasn't. Suicide should never be the thought one should come to, because being a human means to fight adversities, and because of this, we humans were able to overcome every barrier that came across. If you are born as a human, live like one. Again, I would say that there was not a person of a caliber and character equivalent to that of Sushant, and it is true that there won't be many people like him in the future too. That's it from Sportswire for today. Till then, be safe, be connected to the peoples who matter to you, because life means sport.